It's so hard to go out. Goggles, mask, anything else. But we need to be safe. So that's exactly what we're going to talk about. So my name is Abbygale and welcome to It's a Beautiful Day. Okay, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do that and hit the notification bell as well so that we will get to notify you whenever we have new videos. Okay, and then if you have comments, questions, or even suggestions, please write them on the comment section below. Okay, now let's see. Before I did this video, I was thinking, what else? How can we be safe? I mean, a mask is good, but it's not enough. Goggles are a requirement, but they're not enough. We have to have some fashion safety, okay? And I'd like to talk more about that. So again, here are the list. Number one, okay, now, number one, hair. Let's start it from top to bottom. You know that I like doing this. Let's start from the hair. Hair. Make sure that your hair is always away from the face. It will be perfect if you can bun it. That way, it will not be catching any bacteria. Okay? Tapos, pagka naka-mask ka pa, hindi nakakaharang sa mukha. So, please make sure, either in a bun or in a ponytail or with a headband, basta away siya from the face. Okay? Now, makeup is also essential. Mata na nga lang ang nakakita, hindi mo pa kikilayan. So, might as well apply those eyebrows, maybe a little bit of eyeliner or mascara, that will do, okay? Now, not so much on the foundation just because mainit na nga. So, imposibleng hindi ka pawisan, okay? Pawisan ka, hindi masyado mapupura, okay? So, sa hair, sa face. Next, we have the accessories. Sa accessories, we have to be very, very careful with our accessories. Dito pumapasok yung totoong-totoo, less is even more, okay? Less is so much better. Find an earring that's really little, di ba? Pinaka-konti, maliit lang na sing-sing, okay? Now, no more of the bangles, no more of yung mga maraming bordoloy dyan, okay? Anything na nagdadangle, it can catch bacteria. So, please make sure that you will minimize your jewelry use. Accessories pa din. Yung mga scarves, hindi yan panahon ngayon. Kasi pag nag-scarf ka ngayon at medyo nakadangle yan all over the place, baka mamaya makakatch mo ng bacteria. Tapos, clothes. Okay, sa clothes, yung pag nag-jacket ka, you don't want it to keep open, nakadangle na naman. So, might as well zip up. Okay? Tapos, sleeves. Kasi I read one article, kailangan daw naka-sleeves. But, I'm not gonna agree with that. Because, pagka naka-full sleeves kang ganyan, so pag maghuhugas ka ng kamay, iaangat mo pa siya. So, might as well, before going out, 3/4 na kagad so that when you wash your hands, you don't even have to touch the fabric of your shirt. Okay? Tapos, pati sa pants, yung mga long skirts, yung mga flowing skirts na gustong-gusto natin dati, medyo ipapahinga natin yan because you do not want any fabric touching on anything. Not the best time. So, yung mga, ano yung tawag dyan? Square, what do you call that? Yung mga pencil-shaped skirts, yes, yung mga medyo may fitting as little fabric as possible. Pati yung mga pantalon na malalapad, well, I used to like yung mga malalapad sa baba, tapos yung mga halos nakasayad sa floor, they're not gonna be advisable nowadays. So, medyo tapered, medyo siguraduhin hindi sumasayad sa floor. Okay? Tapos, yung shoes are very important. Shoes are very important kasi minsan, we commit the mistake na para mas easy access, we used to wear mga sandals, lalo na ngayon summer. But with this COVID-19 happening all around us, you need to wear closed shoes all the time. Every time you go out, you need to wear closed shoes para mas protected pati paa. Tapos, for hygiene purposes as well, before going into the house, never enter the house with your dirty shoes. Alam na natin yan. So, we leave yung pinaka-ginagamit na sapatos dun sa labas. Okay? So, if you have like, say, may rubber shoes ka dyan, may pantrabaho ka dyan, tapos kung meron kang panglakad lang sa baba lang siguro, may chinelas ka, pero very minimal, as much as possible, closed shoes talaga. Okay? On hygiene, washing of the hands, this is still very, very important. Yung sinasabing, dalawang happy birthday, that's about 40 to 60 seconds. So, see to it that you wash your hands with soap and water. Tapos, if you're gonna go out, alcohol spray are gonna be very convenient. Tapos, yung mga baby wipes are also gonna be very convenient. So, magiging parang necessity na natin yan sa loob ng bag, yung alcohol spray. Tapos, kung pwede, may sabon ka pang baon, meron kang wipes na baon. Tapos, it's so advisable not to drink outside, you know, if you're gonna be thirsty. Kung may pupuntahan ka, magbaon ka ng pagkain, magbaon ka ng tubig, all in there. I also forgot, okay, meron pa, yung bags. Dati, di ba, yung mga bags natin, ang lalaki, tapos mga nakabukang ganyan. So, please make sure that your bag would closed fully para walang chance ang any bacteria. So I was just out today and I got so scared because people, you know, parang hindi man sila conscious masyado. Na hindi ko alam kung napaparaning lang ako. Pero somehow, all of these tiny things, tiny details that we do really matter. So just keep safe, everyone. So these are the things that can actually make us safer. Okay? So please make sure that lalabas lang pag kailangan. Pag hindi, bawal mo na mamasyal. Now is not the time. Alright? So, these are my tips on how to be safer. Okay? So, please make sure that you are wearing the right mask and you are wearing it properly. Naku, I've seen some people who would actually wear their mask like that. Parang wala ring kwenta yun, ha? Tapos, I have learned that you need to protect all these parts, you know, the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. So, yung goggles are very important. Swerte kung nagsasalamin ka, then so be it. Now, if you can afford a face mask, pwede din. So, please make sure you have to do all of these things just to make you and your family safe. So, again, this is Abbygale Arenas telling everyone to be safe. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And then if you have comments and questions, please let me know. All right? So thank you and be safe, everyone. Bye.